Hi, this is Bobby Hester. In this clip, we're going to be demonstrating how to cut base on an inside corner with a miter saw. It's very similar to cutting the outside corner, except you'll cut the opposite direction. If we were cutting an outside corner, our cuts would be this way on this board. But if we're cutting an inside corner, then we'd cut the opposite direction. So let's go ahead and make our first cut. This will be the side we're going to cut, so we're going to cut like this. So we'll adjust our saw to 45 degrees because this is a 90-degree corner, and we'll make our first cut. There's our first cut. You can see that the bevel's going this direction. Okay, now we're going to cut our other piece. It appears to be the same cut, but the piece I cut before I cut like this, and this piece we're cutting this way. Okay, now that gives us our 90-degree inside corner.